Compound interest is your secret weapon. Let's get started. Compound interest might sound complicated, but it's actually a simple idea. It's all about earning interest on your interest. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you put $100 in a savings account that earns 5% interest per year. After the first year, you earn $5 in interest. Now you have $105. Here's where the magic happens. In the second year, you earn interest on the original $100 and the $5 in interest. So, instead of earning another $5, you earn slightly more. This might seem like a small difference at first, but over time, it adds up big time. The longer your money compounds, the faster it grows. Think of it like this. You're not just earning money on your initial investment, you're earning money on your earnings, and then earning even more on those earnings. It's a chain reaction of wealth building. Don't worry about the math too much. There are plenty of online calculators that can help you figure out how much your money can grow with compound interest. The important thing is to understand the concept and how it can work for you. When it comes to compound interest, time is your best friend. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. This is why it's so important to start investing as soon as possible, even if it's just a small amount. Let's say you're 25 years old and you invest $100 every month in an account that earns an average of 7% interest per year. By the time you retire at age 65, you'll have over $286,000, but here's the kicker. You only invested a total of $48,000 of your own money. The rest is all thanks to the magic of compound interest. Now imagine you wait until you're 35 to start investing the same $100 per month. By age 65, you'll have around $142,000. That's still a great return, but it's significantly less than if you had started 10 years earlier. The lesson here? Don't wait to start investing. Time is your most valuable asset when it comes to building wealth. The sooner you start, the better off you'll be in the long run. Section 4, From Hundreds to Millions, The Power of Time. Now let's talk about how that initial $100 investment can turn into a whopping $1 million. It's not about finding some get-rich-quick scheme, it's about the steady, reliable power of compound interest over a long period. Let's say you invest $100 at a 10% annual interest rate. You don't touch it, just let it grow. After about 90 years, that $100 will have magically transformed into $1 million. But wait, you might say, 90 years is a long time, that's true. But here's the thing. You don't have to wait 90 years to become a millionaire. You can shorten that time frame significantly by consistently adding to your investments. Even small, regular investments, coupled with a decent interest rate, can snowball into a $1 million nest egg over a few decades. Remember, it's not just about the initial investment, it's about the consistent contributions and the magic of compounding that makes all the difference. 4. The time to start is now. Let us know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see next. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.